Hi, my name is Lisa Moskowitz, and I'm a registered dietitian and certified in the state of New York. With a private practice on the Upper East Side, I specialize in weight management, exercise, and sports nutrition, and I'll be talking to you about diets. The Mediterranean diet, based off the cultures living in the Mediterranean, South Italy, and Greece. Scientists found that these cultures happen to live longer lives, more disease-free, and are at lower risk for heart disease, particularly because of the way they eat. With high intakes of plant-based foods, fruits and vegetables, legumes, and plenty of fish, while decreasing the amount of saturated fat and processed carbohydrates. They found these people were really doing it the right way, so we should do it too. A perk about this diet is that you could enjoy some wine as well. For women, it's a glass a day. For men, it's 2. I think this happens to be a great way to live a healthier life, maybe not so much for weight loss, but certainly increasing the quality of the way you're living.